I've got my chopped up radish, green onions, onion and garlic blended, a bunch of chili flakes powdered, rice flour. I'm gonna boil some water with the rice flour and then add my mix of onions and garlic along with the chili flakes. And then we're ready to kimchi. Now I think I'm gonna do this in halves. Or maybe I should just do the whole thing. I think I might just make 2 portions of sauce and then get ready to do the washing of the cabbage, mixing, and portioning. So now I'm boiling some water with rice flour. Now, since I'm doing a double portion, I need a little bit more than the recipe I'm following. And so they said half a liter with 2 tablespoons. Here I have a liter with 4, but maybe my tablespoons are a little bit small, so I think I might add another one. Right, here I've got my rice flour, so we'll see how that goes. So now I've added the garlic and onion paste to my rice flour, and I'm slowly adding in more and more chili powder until we get the right consistency. Now I think right now we're getting there. I think a little bit more. I used 180 grams. Right, so I've got a really nice consistency here, very thick. Used about, I don't know, 275 grams chili flakes. And yeah, it's time to turn off the heat on this. Let that cool down. Then I'm gonna wash my cabbage. Well, maybe I'm gonna make dinner in between. I'm gonna wash my cabbage, then mix this, the radish, the onions, and the cabbage to make our kimchi. The intensity of garlic and onion like fragrances right now in this kitchen is insane. So here's my cabbage, which I cut up this morning. It's about 8:30 now, so it's been in here for at least 8 hours, and it's gone nice and soft, sweated out some moisture. We're gonna wash this, then squeeze it dry, and yeah, then we're ready for assembly. Alright, here we are. We've got our cabbage washed and squeezed, radish, gochugaru, and green onion. So I'm gonna mix, I think about half, do it in 2 portions, because I've got 2 jars. You don't want to fill them up too much because they'll explode. So I'm gonna put half of my 30 greens and then stir in about half of the gochugaru, and then I will test it and see how we're doing. Alright, here we go. We've got mixed greens, and I'm about to go in with my gochugaru sauce. Now, one thing is, this is still a little bit warm. I don't know if that's allowed or if that's gonna give me trouble, but we'll see. The forbidden porridge. I'm letting it cool down. Alright, so I fell asleep, but now I mixed everything up. Now I'm going to put it in a jar. But first, the taste test, I guess. Well, it's definitely spicy. Um, I think it's good. Could add more salt next time, but you know what? I gotta go to bed. So jarring time. So this is a lot more than I bargained for here. I've got basically 2 full jars, and I've got about half of a portion left. So I'm gonna see if I can scavenge another jar here with one hand in the gochugaru. Well, there it is, the haul, the result of my labor. 2.5 jars, premium, custom made, craft kimchi. And yeah, now I'm gonna leave it out. It's been out for a while because I was not exactly like super fast in the making process. So I'm gonna leave this out for overnight. Tomorrow I'll probably already move it to the fridge. At least probably gonna try to give one away tomorrow because fridge real estate comes at a premium these days. So gonna give one away. Gonna maybe I'll keep one outside and just eat that as it ferments. Put one in the fridge and let that slow roll that one. And yeah, we'll see how it turns out.